Right now, I am going to launch a MemeCoin, and at the end of the video, I will make a run. Without any unnecessary words, let us get started. First, we need to find a good MemeCoin to copy on deck screen, or preferably one that is well designed and trending. For example, this one, Bretta's wife. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. Obviously, it's going to be a full live video, so you can watch all of this to the end. So we're just going to copy this, put it here. Okay, nice. So come here and just like that. Okay, nice. And now for the supply, you see the decimals is 9. You want to do the same, so 1. So when you have the 1 there, you want to put 9 more decimals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So it's going to 1 billion. I'm going to come down here, select your description. We're just going to make some random description up, or we can copy their description. Okay, so nice, we have the description now. You want to select this? Well, it's optional, but just for me, I'm going to select it. This isn't actually a real website. I'm just putting some random shit. So it makes my coin more trustable overall, so I get more investors. Yeah, and for the social tags, I'm just going to, this is optional, but I'm going to add this so we get more investors, because if they see this, then it just makes it more trustable. So I'm going to copy their website, and I'm going to copy their Twitter also. Okay, now we come over to the investors booster. Now it's called this so the website doesn't get banned or whatever, but pretty much here is where we can remove the liquidity of the coin. Now, because we're making the coin, we're going to be owning most of the coin. You know, even if we put $100 into the coin or $50, we're still going to be owning most of it because we are making the coin. Now, you've got to select these so you can remove the liquidity. Now, with this, you can also revoke mint and revoke update and revoke freeze, which pretty much, you know, it freezes their money so they can't take it back out. You know, without these two selected, it'll only cost 0.3, which is the cheapest coin launcher on the market. But because we're selecting these, we're going to select 0.5. Now, guys, we're going to make our money back straight away. So, you know, I'm just going to select these. Okay, now connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet's connected. Okay, nice. You're going to get this. Just click confirm. And your wallet's going to be connected. You can log out at any time. There we go. Keep in mind, we've got $700 in our wallet now, and let's see how much we make afterwards. But yeah, you want to click launch token here. Proceed, confirm. Now, the reason it says all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then, you know, just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. Now you just want to wait for the website to load. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, perfect. Transaction sent. Now this is your transaction ID. You can copy and paste this. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, your Solana token has been switched to credit. Okay, so as you want to go into your wallet, scroll down, you can see that your token's here, and you're currently holding 1 billion of it. Okay, so now we got to create the liquidity pool. So now you want to click on liquidity pool here. You know, double tap onto liquidity here, click create. You want to click standard AMM, click create. There we go. Okay, so now that you're on Radium, click into your profile. Make sure you're logged in. You want to come down here, click onto your token, click on the 3 dots, click onto view on Solana, the network. If it doesn't, then you want to click onto this token address. You want to click copy. When you're ready, you want to come here, select this, make sure it's selected as Sol, and then for your top one, you want to come here and you want to get your token address as I just showed you, and you want to select it right here, put it right here. And then you want to put your name. So mine was Bretta's wife, whatever. There we go. Add user token. And then you just want to select that. There you go. Okay, so now here you got to listen carefully. So here's where you decide how much of the liquidity you want to own. The current liquidity we can make is 1 billion, but we want to own quite a lot of that. So we're going to own 100 million of it, and we're going to send the rest, the 900 million, to the liquidity pool. So you want to click 900 million, just like this. There you go. And then this will leave us with 10% of the coin. So, you know, we can dump on them. Very good with that. And then for your Sol, here we're just going to put, I mean, the more you put, the more you can dump. But for this example, I'm just going to put 4. So I have 0.5 left. And if you're using less, like 1 Sol or 2 Sol, then I recommend putting your fee high to like 4%. But because we're using 4 Sol, we're going to put our percentage fee to, so now we want to initialize the liquidity pool. Now, as soon as you click this, that means people are ready to buy in. Okay, so we can initialize liquidity pool. Okay, nice. So your pool is created successfully. You want to click on got it, and then you want to go over to portfolio standard. Now you just want to wait until your pool has arrived. It's going to take a couple minutes, but as you can see here, we're holding 100 million, and if you want to check in the wallet, there we go. We're holding 100 million. All our money is in the burner right now. Okay, nice. So you want to go over to with your address, you want to go to the executor or any platform. You want to click onto some random token, copy the link out. Okay, there we go. Now we just gotta wait until your token appears. Now this shouldn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and then your token should appear on the market. Okay, as you can see, our token is on the market, Brendan's wife. Now, if you want to scroll up, we added the liquidity here, 900. Now we are getting a few buyers. This is, most of them are snipers, some of them are real, but they bought and they sold. Okay, now we're just going to wait and see how it performs. Give it between 5 to 10 minutes and before it actually does hit the market, because these are just snipers. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it starts picking up motion. It should only take about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's 4 minutes old. As soon as it gets to about 5 minutes old, as soon as it gets 5 minutes old, you are going to see a lot of buyers. Okay, we have had a big buyer here. We got $7.98. It's nearly about 5 minutes old. So now we just want to wait. As I said, this is all live. I really don't want to fake any of this. But yeah, while we wait for the buyers to come in, let's just look at some stuff right here. So as you can see, the liquidity, pretty much every single investor, what you get here, because we made the liquidity, we own 900 million% of it. So every single investor or buyer, what we get, we own their money pretty much. So as soon as we come over to Radium, it hadn't loaded yet, but I'm going to show you. We get to take out all their money, so we get to keep all of this. So obviously it's 5 minutes old now, so it should start getting and seeing the buyers. I'll get back to you in about 10-20 minutes to see how it's doing. Okay, so the coin is 7 minutes old. Started to pick up. So we got another $60 buy, $9 buy, $1 buy, $6 buy. Okay, so they're not holding in a lot of money, but it's doing okay. Okay guys, so it's been nearly 10 minutes now. We have 17 buys and 6 sales. It's doing pretty good. When you make your coin, you're only gonna make like $200, $400, $500. Sometimes if it's a real good narrative, then yeah, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go to $10 million market cap. It is possible. The more coins you make, the more percent chance you have. Like Ronald said, he made 150 coins before he made his first coin, what went to $10 million market cap. Now, that's absolutely insane to her. Anything's possible in this world. But yeah, so we're just gonna leave it for some more minutes. Bro, someone just bought 180 bucks. Okay, we're gonna replit. Yo, some more people actually buying. 180, 21. Anyone else more? Anyone else gonna buy? I don't think so, guys. Okay, I'm going to drain the liquidity. So you want to refresh to see our profits. We can take out, come here, 100. There we go. We can take out 6.7 sold. Okay, so I think I'm going to rogue pull it. Let me just refresh, make sure there's no more buyers, because I want to get the most profit we can here. Okay, I feel like these buyers are going to take out. One of them already actually did take out here. And let's give it like 5 more seconds, and then I'm going to rogue it. Okay, I think I'm gonna rogue it. So you want to come here. Let's just refresh one more time. Make sure everything's okay. 6.7 soul. You want to click remove liquidity. Now just wait. Click here. Okay, 6.7 soul. Oh no, blah, blah, blah. Confirm. Remove liquidity. Now this is probably gonna go to nothing. Okay, now this is gonna go to nothing. Let's see. It's gonna say remove liquidity because we added 900 here. Now it's gonna say remove 900. Okay, there we go. Remove 500 minutes. Okay, nice. Now, if we come here, see our profits. Nice. we are on $1,000. So from 700 to 1,000, that's, you know, that's quite a decent amount of money. You know, that was easy. And if you want to sell the rest of this, just go into the Solana incinerator and then you can sell like that. Someone else actually bought $21 just before I rug pulled that. So yeah, it's pretty good. That was a decent rug pull. Now you can see it's saying this token is misleadable, whatever. We're on $1,000 now. But yeah, if you want to do this, go over to Luno. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. You know, everyone go like, everyone go subscribe, and much love.